Hello there, let's look at the conversion of number bases. Now the first topic I'll be treating there is the conversion of number bases from base 10 to other bases. And that simply involves the successful division of base 10 number by the required base. The remainders are recorded at each stage until the last quotient becomes 0. Then we have the upward collection of remainders, that is from bottom up. Let me show you what I mean. If I have a number in base 10, let's say 18, base 10, and I want to convert it to a number in base 3. I like to write my bases in Word because sometimes if you are not too careful, you write something like this, 1810. And some people with bad handwriting, you may mistakenly treat this 10 as a number, and you make a mistake and the answer becomes incorrect. So I like to write my bases in words to free myself of the confusion. So this is what we are saying. We have 18. I want to change it to a number in base 3. This is the given number in base 10. You are dividing it by the required base 3. So how many 3 can we get from 18? I have 6. You write the remainder. This remains nothing, so 0. You may need to review your multiplication table because you need your multiplication table and a very good knowledge of basic division to be able to do this correctly. So you can watch out for my video on basic division and multiplication. So now, next, how many 3 can we get from 6? That's going to be 2, also remaining 0. How many 3 can we get from 2? That's impossible because 3 is greater than 2. So we write 0 and we write the number as a remainder. So that's 2. So now my last quotient now is now 0. I'll write my answer as an upward collection of the remainder. That's from bottom up, and you see the way my arrow is going. So the answer is 200 in base 3. Let's have another example. We have 214 base 10. Let's change it to a number in base 8. So I have something like this. 214 base, I'm dividing it by 8. So, how many 8 can I get in, I have 26, remaining 6. 8 here, I have 3, remaining 2, because 8 times 3 is 24. 8 in 3 is impossible because 8 is greater than 3. So, I'm going to write 0, and I'll write the remainder as 3. Now, my last quotient is now 0. Can you see? So I'm going to write it as an upward collection of my remainder. So the answer is 326 base 8. The last example for the day, I have 357 base 10, and I want to change it to a number in base 2. So I'm going to have something like this. 357, 2. How many 2 can we get in 357? 178, remaining 1. Please check out my video on simple division if you are finding it difficult to follow me like this. 2. How many 2 can I get from 178? That's 89 times, remaining nothing actually, 0. How many 2 can I get from 89? That's 4 here, 44, remaining 1. How many 2 in 44? We have 22, 0. 2 from 11, from 22, 11, remaining 0. How many 2 from 11? We have 5, remaining 1. How many 2 from 5? We have 2, remaining 1. 2 from 2, we have 1, remaining 0. How many 2 can we get from 1? It's impossible. 0. We have remaining 1. So now my last quotient is now 0. I'll write the answer as an upward collection of my answer. So I'm going to write 1, 0, 1, 1, 00101 base 2. And that's it for the day. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube page, like my Facebook page. So you can try this and drop your answers in the comment. I'll tell you if you're right or wrong.